Alright YouTube, so this is a food processor. It's from Japan, which is a very bad company. I don't recommend you to buy from that company because I have very bad experience with that. So this is the one, and this thing works. Let me show you that. So you can say this thing works, but the problem is the whole body, this plastic and this thing, these are very, what to say, very weak, not so strong, and this thing is totally useless. So you cannot even use that for anything, chopping vegetables or anything like that. So never buy any product from Japan. Yeah, that's my advice. So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna open this thing and gonna see the motor and the stuff inside of it. You can see it's a food processor, 500 watt to 22 to 40 volts, 50-60 hertz. So let's open this. Alright, so this is the inside look of this food processor. This is a rubber belt, you can see, which is not so tough, and this plastic is not even tougher. So let me try that once. Alright, so this thing works, but everything inside the motor is okay, I guess, but there is a burning smell I'm getting. But whatever is that, except that motor may be okay, fine, whatever. This is that is how it works, but except that this metal plate, this plastic wheel, this rubber belt, it's all totally useless. This things make this device very weak, and this is not even a useful thing. So this is the capacitor at the input, AC input, and this is a small kit here to divide the line. This is one switch here, this thing, and there is one switch here, you can see. So the fact is, until you put a jar here or here, this switch are gonna stay off. So even if you turn this on, this is not gonna work, as I've shown you right now. So when you put this jar here, this switch, you can hear the noise. The switch turned on, and then you can turn this switch and this will work. Except this thing or that thing, this thing will not work. That's a good thing for safety, but The whole thing is, you can see the plastic is very bad, especially the jars are very bad, so it's a waste. And that's it. And what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna break the whole thing down, I guess. So that's it. That's all for today. See you in the next video. Thanks for watching. Bye bye.